Over the week, Delight Tailoring Fashion Design School fraternity staged a fashion event to showcase their stunning designs to the public, media, and industry elites. Themed celebrating cultures and fabric manipulation, the fashion show featured the works of emerging fashion designers and models. It was a collection of original outfits designed under their chosen concepts. Their showcase offered an excellent opportunity for them to unravel their talent in front of some of the most successful designers in the industry, not forgetting the judging panel. Winners were awarded based on different categories. Delight Fashion Week is one of Kenya's biggest fashion events. Held in October each year, the event celebrates emerging Kenyan fashion designers and models' collections, showcasing them to the world. It is also a hotspot for celebrities who are spotted attending runways for inspiration. Congratulations to all the winners, and we look forward to you becoming versatile and enterprising professionals that are always on top of the latest trends.